This movie is going to show you how to add the sonar mounting onto the end of this base. But before we start on that, I've just noticed that this document is unsaved. So we'll go here and we'll just go save. Okay, so it's my robot design. So I name it and save it. Okay, so we've got this component here, which is base, and you can see from this little dot there that that's the active component. I'm just going to make it not active for a moment, just make robot be the active thing. So it's the overall thing that's now active. And then I'm going to go assemble, make a new component. This component is the sonar mounting. Click OK. Okay, now I'm actually going to draw it on top of this base. So what I'm going to do is click on the base to select the top of the base, then I'm going to right click and I'm going to go sketch, and that tells me that I'm going to sketch on there, and I'm going to choose this 2-point rectangle. So now we're actually drawing on top of the base. The 2-point rectangle, here's the first point there, and there's the second point, and you can see straight away that I've made the sonar mounting exactly the same width as the base. I'm going to press D for dimensioning, and then I'll put the pointer over there till it turns blue, click the mouse once, drag that down there, click again, and set that to 12 millimeters. Hit enter. Okay, there is our sonar mounting. So I'm going to go stop sketch, and then I'm going to type the letter E for extrude, and I'm going to select this thing because I want to extrude that, and I'm going to pull it up a little bit, but I want to go exactly 25, so over here type in 25 and hit tab. Make sure that this thing, the operation you've chosen here, says new body. Once you've done that, you can click OK. Now I'm going to turn it around, and I want to draw on this face. So I click on the face, right click again, and select sketch, and this time I want to draw a circle. So I'm just going to go here somewhere, click once, pull out my circle, click again, whip over there, click once, pull out my circle, and then I might just zoom in on this. Then I'm going to type the letter D, touch the outside of the circle, pull that out there. That circle diameter has to be 17 millimeters, so type 17 and hit enter. Same with this one, touch there, pull that out, type 17, hit enter. Now the distance between these two circles has to be 25. So check you've still got your dimensioning tool going. Click this white dot, click that white dot, move the mouse down. Click when it's off the picture and type 25, enter. Okay, so the two circles are the right distance apart now, but this one's closer to the middle than that one. I just happen to know that the distance from that circle to the end of there needs to be 22.5. So I've still got my dimensioning tool. I'm going to click this white circle, click this line, move the mouse down, click, and go 22.5. And that's got both of the circles sitting nicely in the middle of that bit of wood. So I've finished that sketch, so I'll click on stop sketch. I'm going to turn it around to a bit of an angle. Okay, then I'm going to type the letter E. I'm going to select that, and I'm also going to select that. I want to push this back the other way, not the way the arrow is going, but I'll push it back that way. And over here, the distance that I'm going to go is called all the way through it. Notice the operation has now changed to a cut we're actually going to cut material out. Click OK. And there we've got the holes drilled in that. And so the sonar mounting is now our active component. That's the one we're working on. We can go back and make the robot our active component now. And there we've got a couple of things in this robot drawing so far.